Viewing area, Gene, do we expect we'll see some of the snow and ice?
I think it's going to be a good part of the viewing area east of I-65 and north of I-20, so kind of where Melissa is and also where Tiffany is, especially up in Gadsden. Now, when you wake up tomorrow morning, you're probably going to again see a lot of rain, so don't expect to wake up and see snow here in Birmingham, but it will be coming. In fact, that winter storm warning shows the areas that have the highest risk for seeing anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of a combination of snow and ice that will be on the ground by the end of the day. Again, the warning is in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. Don't expect to see much Tuscaloosa down toward Bibb County, down into Chilton County, other than the cold rain that they're already getting. Maybe a couple of sleet pellets mixed in as well. Let's take a live look outside. Our camera at the BJCC, looking off to the east, looking toward the airport. You see it's been raining for the most part over the last at least hour or so, and that's going to continue on into the overnight hours. So how will things change? Well, here's our exclusive Titan 3D radar, and you see these highlighted areas here in yellow. These are areas that are probably seeing a little bit of sleet mixed in with the cold rain. And then where you see the white, that's a little bit of sleet, maybe mixed with snow in sections of Marion County and up into sections of Winston County. And it may be also reaching a little bit over to the east there in sections of Cullman County. 33, that's our overnight low. That's what we're expecting. So we shouldn't get below freezing tonight. We could see some additional snow to the north and then sleety rain here in town. During the day tomorrow, maybe we get to 36 by the middle of the day, and then temperatures start to drop. That's when I expect that cold rain to turn to snow. Here's how things are going to work out. Our exclusive TitanCast computer model shows that in the overnight hours, maybe around 1, 2 in the morning, we'll start to see some of that mix of sleet and snow up to the north and east, places like Gadsden, Cullman, over toward Arley. But everybody else just seeing the cold rain as temperatures stay above freezing. Then as we work our way into the afternoon or the mid-morning tomorrow, we'll start to see a little bit more of that icing off to the east. And watch what happens. The area pink will begin to expand as the cold air comes rushing in from Georgia. It's being shoved this way by high pressure, bringing that cold air in. And it changes everything here to an icy mix from Gardendale to Springville up to Gadsden, up toward Cullman. And then we'll start to see it change to snow, indicated by the white. And that's where we could see that snow begin to fall during the latter part of the day and on into the evening. Again, we could see some accumulations here in town, perhaps as much as an inch, and the heavier amounts off to the north and east, places like Anniston, Gadsden, like we've been saying, they have the greatest chance for seeing the most snow accumulation. 36 right now, 33 in Hamilton, 38 in T-Town, 40 in Clanton. So again, just a chilly rain overnight. Don't expect to see flakes here in town until late in the afternoon tomorrow or on into the evening, because temperatures tomorrow really won't get to that freezing mark until we get to the mid-morning hours off to the east. And then watch that cold air just continue to come moving our way from Georgia, and that will be the big signal that we're going to see the change. You know, I rate the next day's weather from 1 to 10. It's called the Norman number. For tomorrow, only up to a 2. And as we work our way through the rest of the week, snow and ice tomorrow, followed by nicer weather on Thursday, although it will start cold at 29. So we may have some icy spots tomorrow night once everything is all said and done. 56 for a high on Friday. And then as we work our way toward the weekend, a little bit nicer. Pretty good weather for the marathon, although there could be a couple of sprinkles around late Friday night for all the Valentine's Day activities.
Yeah, and during the discussion today, you said that what we see tomorrow, there may be some similarities to what we saw 2 weeks ago.
That's especially when things start happening. They can start happening very quickly during the afternoon tomorrow. In fact, here's a timeline of how things are going to maybe work out. We kind of expect to see that cold rain overnight tonight with some sleet, and then the rain will change to snow in the afternoon. Once again, even if you don't get snow, we've had a lot of water on the ground starting with tonight on into tomorrow, and that means that when temperatures drop tomorrow night below freezing everywhere in the state, that could lead to icy roads. So it's going to be a mess. We're going to stay on top of it. Mark Priddy will have an update on the progress of development of this system first thing tomorrow morning during Wake Up Alabama.
Okay.
So don't leave the house unprepared for winter weather. Be
That's
sure
right.
you
Be
start
ready.
your day ready. All right.
Gene, thanks.
Thanks, Gene.